Hello, welcome to the Basic Kitchen. This tutorial is for beginners or basic chefs that are not about the frills. We'll be boiling an egg and making the basic deviled egg. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some water to our pan. Dripping everywhere. We have the heat on medium. We're going to add our egg and we're going to allow it to come to a boil for about 15 minutes. Different resources on the internet give different times for the perfectly boiled egg, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. I always go with 15 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, our egg has began to boil. Now I'm going to give it about 15 minutes and then we'll let it cool. Alright, we boiled our egg for 15 minutes. Now we've moved it to the sink and we're adding water to allow it to cool. Now that the egg has cooled, we're going to shell it, crack it, we're going to peel it. Oh, that shell's coming off nice. Rinse it. Then we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut it long ways. And we will take the yolk, stick it in this bowl. See, in 15 minutes the yolk is nice and firm. Okay. And then what we'll do is we will add mayonnaise and mustard to taste. I never really measure it out. I just do it to taste. So just a little mayonnaise, a little mustard, or whatever you like. Different people do different things with their deviled eggs. Add a little bit of Redmond's real salt, a little tad of garlic powder just to taste, onion powder if you like onion powder. Some people add paprika, other people add other spices, pepper and such. Mash it with a fork, the tines of a fork. Some people do fancy stuff with a grater. I just use the tines of my fork. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Use just maybe a little more mayonnaise to make it a little bit smoother. All right, smooth that out, make it creamy. Okay. I have this fancy egg plate. So we just take the filling, the yolk filling, and we just refill the egg with the yolk, that's with the spices and the things in it that you like. I did not cut this egg straight. And there we have the basic, very basic deviled egg. Thanks for joining us today on the Basic Kitchen. Have a great one.